Whoa! Whoa! You almost hit that. It was like this. Man, take it easy, dude. You got a bunch of oil and water in there. You gotta dump that, man. Look at that.
Oh my juicy son of a...
We'll dump it over there. Put in 4 gallons. Whoa, right on his toe. Wow. Come on, float that edge so I can both float. You're looking at it like it's gonna self-level. Okay. Yeah, it's setting up quickly. Yeah, I kept adding water and it wouldn't do anything to it. Thirsty concrete. Oh, it's still pretty wet, right?
Pretty wet.
Yeah. It felt like it was gonna get hard really fast. That's good.